Hi, everybody. I'm Greg Fishel, and welcome to a little extra special feature here on Christmas Eve morning. I guess that's the way you describe it. And I was just thinking about the saying earlier today that there are lies, darn lies, and statistics. And boy, if that phrase doesn't apply to anything, it applies to the temperatures in the Raleigh-Durham area so far this month of December of the year 2024. If all you do is look at the overall average for the month, you have completely missed the details on how things have evolved. So let's go on ahead and take a look at things here. Now, the set of three bars on the far left are the maximum temperature, okay? And the red bar is how far above normal the above normal days have averaged, and the blue bar is the overall average of how far below normal the below normal days have been. And then the bar on the right in that particular set represents the overall departure from normal for the maximum temperature. And then in the middle, you have the same thing for the low temperature, and on the far right, you have the same thing for the overall average, okay? And by the way, if you look at that bottom there and you say, wait a minute, Greg, the max is 7.7, the min 7.4, shouldn't the mean be, in between those two? Well, if we were assuming that all of these departures occurred on the same day, yes, that would be true. But it turns out that there were some days where the low temperature was above normal and the high temperature was below normal, but the overall total averaged out still to be 13 and 10 in terms of below and above. So that's why there's that mathematical discrepancy there. So let's move on now. Again, 13 days below normal for the max min and the mean temp, but again, they weren't all on those same days. 10 days above normal for the max min and mean temp. And overall, departures from normal for the month, for the high, minus 0.46, for the min, plus 0.05, and for the mean, minus 0.20. So if you look at the 23 days as a whole, you'd say, this is a normal December. Ho-hum, boring. And if you look at the other data, it's anything but, with respect to the fact that the highs have been way high and the lows have been way low. And when you average it all out, it looks like a normal month, when in reality, we that have lived through this month in the Triangle area all know for a fact that it has been anything but normal. Now, it looks like temperatures will be probably near normal the next few days, and then trending above normal as we close out the month of December. So overall, the month may end up being just slightly above normal, but I think the statistical degree of departure is going to be pretty insignificant, at least the way things look right now. Okay, that's it for this little special extra. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas Eve day, a wonderful Christmas Eve, and a wonderful Christmas day. And we'll talk to you again on Thursday. See you later, everybody. Merry Christmas.